Hey everyone, and welcome to Basman Studio. I'm Charles Basman, and today I'm going to be talking about materials you need when you paint outside. So sit back and relax, and let's start this new lesson from Basman Studio. And here I have my Alla Prima push-out box ready to be used. And as I open it, I have my palette ready, which is a plexiglass palette, and you can see I have all the colors arranged from light to dark. So next is just setting up my palette. So I add the wings on the side to hold my brushes and my medium, etc. So you just want to make sure you have a sturdy paint box. This push-out box is excellent for painting outside. Highly recommend it. And here's our beautiful view of a waterfall. So I have my brushes ready. You just want to make sure all your materials are in good order and ready to use and clean. And my jars for medium and Gamsol are also ready, as well as my paint. So I have all my paint arranged as well. Now, when you're painting outside, just be aware that people will come up to you. So it's your choice whether you want to engage them in conversation or not. So just be aware that these things happen when you're painting outside because you're practically on display. And your art is on display, so don't be shy and just have fun.
How long did it take you to make that? Hey man, really nice work. Wow. Wow. How long did that take you? How long have you been working on this thing? Dude, did you do that? Awesome!
And when you're done, you just pack up, and this push-out box is excellent for just putting things away, and it folds up very beautifully. Everything comes apart very easily, so you can just pack it up. And it's easily transportable. You see the wings come off. And you want a lightweight easel when you're painting outside, nothing too heavy, depending on how large your work is, of course, but if you're doing small work, these push-out boxes are excellent. So thank you for watching this video from Basman Studio. And for those who have subscribed, thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't, please subscribe. And stay tuned for the next video from Basman Studio. Also, if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section. And any questions, I'll be glad to answer. So thanks again, have a great and awesome day, and don't be afraid to create great art. Goodbye, everyone.